What is up, guys? Here is a quick video on how to change your headlight bulb. So we are gonna add these awesome LED bulbs. They are gonna be super cool. Let's get it. First things first, we look for a headlight, and it's these bulbs. And if you're not 100% sure how to figure out what bulb is what, just go on into your vehicle and turn your headlight switch on. Boom. And it's the only ones that light. Now I know these are lighting, so the only reason why I'm actually replacing these is because sometimes they flicker and something's wrong. And no, it's not the connection. Usually when these bulbs are actually dying, they do flicker, and they just tend to flicker, and we're just gonna replace them and put some new ones on. So that's what we're gonna do. First things first, we're gonna dive right behind this headlight, and right here where my finger is, we're gonna unscrew the bulb out of the housing, and boom, there it is, the LED. We're gonna replace this with our brand new one from AISKITS. So AISKITS, thank you so much for sending these out to me. Really appreciate y'all. Let's get it. So what you want to do next is unplug it from the harness, and it's probably gonna be hard to do with one hand, so I may have to put you down. Now we open our package from AISKITS. Slide out. Oop, warranty card. We're gonna keep that off to the side. Beautiful boxing. Now this is our light. Let's plug it in and see how bright it looks. It's super easy to do this. It's actually the opposite of removal to install. So we are just gonna go and pop this in right now. Now let's see if it lights. Oh yeah. All you gotta do left is put this right back in the housing where it belongs. Make sure it's tight, and just like that, we're gonna turn our lights on again. Headlight switch on. Boom. There we go. And if you can notice, it's flickering somewhat. It was just now. Maybe I can get it to flicker again. Hold on. Off, and then on. There you go. See the flickering? It flickers. That one is bad, so we're gonna replace the both. Oof. Look at that. PIMP.